So we're here on the Olawalo farm. We're showing you our composting area. We're showing you how some of our interns are planting these mounds out and what we do with this strategy of regenerative agriculture. These trees have been neglected for many years and were covered from the very top to the bottom with this kind of material. Not to mention there was hundreds of invasive trees, the opioma tree, which you can see over there to the side. They're growing everywhere. This had no light in it and half of this stuff looked like it was dead. So for the last 2 years, I've been cleaning it up and restoring the fruit tree orchard that was underneath it. And it wasn't really planted as an orchard, it was planted so they could sell trees. They didn't really think it out. They put a lot of plastic on the ground, there was tons of trash. And I use this as an example to show people by taking the trash out, clearing the invasive trees, spacing things right, and having a good maintenance plan, that we can take out and repair the damage done. We can actually regenerate the area by showing good, solid stewardship. And papaya tree from seed, look at the amount of fruit on this. We're getting upward of 150, 200, 300 pounds a year on some of these. We've already grown thousands of pounds of squash in this pile that was about 12 feet tall when we started. We've harvested massive harvests off this orange tree in a year and a half. I want to say we've probably done 5 harvests off this tree already, which is kind of ridiculous. And if you look at this